Hello, in front of me I have FITBIT Luxe, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, simply double tap on the screen, like this. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the shortcut menu. Now, scroll up by swiping down on the screen, like this. Find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, select the option called display settings, the first one, and right here we have brightness. And to change the brightness, simply tap on the brightness option, and you can keep tapping on it to toggle between different levels of brightness. We have dim, normal, and max. And once you're done, simply swipe right on the screen to go back. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.